Welcome to this Community Viz video tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up new charts. You can set up charts from the 360 Setup tab in the Scenario 360 Content window. There are also shortcuts available from the 360 Setup Assumptions window and the 360 Setup Indicators window. Some Community Viz decision tool wizards also create charts automatically. Let's take a look at an existing chart and see how it was made. To access the existing chart, you simply double-click on the chart name. If you were creating a new chart from scratch, you would click the New Chart button. In the first tab, the General tab, choose what type of chart you would like, how many decimal places will appear in the display, and other display properties. Note that some of these properties can be temporarily changed when viewing charts. The next tab over, the Data tab, is where you select the data you would like on your chart. You can add one or more assumptions or indicators using these buttons. To control how each element is displayed, highlight its name in the list and specify its settings below. In the Label field, it may be helpful to put a shorter name so that you can see the whole name on your chart. You can choose your own colors and patterns if desired. The preview shows your chart properties, but the preview's numbers are not the actual numbers that will show up on the live display. Most of the time, these two tabs are all you need to create a good-looking chart, but there are several more options available if you wish. The Optional Axis tab allows you to set custom X and Y values and labels. The default settings are generally fine as is, so we'll leave them as they are for now. You can add optional threshold lines to your chart. Threshold lines cross the entire chart. The level of the threshold line is based on an indicator, an assumption, or a fixed custom value that you type in here. Let's try adding an assumption. Choose the assumption you would like to add, and the threshold line showing the value of that assumption will be displayed on your chart. Last, the Optional Item Line tab allows you to create a reference line that applies to a single bar on a bar chart. Its value comes from an assumption, an indicator, or a custom fixed number. Click OK to finish the chart. Back on the Chart Setup window, you'll find a basic toolbar. Here you can create new charts, duplicate a chart, view chart properties, delete a chart, and filter the charts list. If all of these capabilities do not fit your needs, you can also choose to export a snapshot of assumption and indicator values to Excel and create a more advanced chart there. Thank you for watching this Community Viz video tutorial. For more video tutorials and help references, please visit our website.